Hello my people, welcome back to Princess and Mom channel. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are having a lovely and a wonderful day. If you are not yet subscribed to Princess and Mom channel, please, what are you still waiting for? Kindly do go and subscribe to Princess and Mom channel, and also press the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. If you see this video helpful to you, like the video, share it, and if you have anything to say about the video, please drop it at the comment section below. Okay guys, finally my Nigeria foodstuff is here. Wonder shall never end. My Nigeria foodstuff is here. I can't just believe that I bought this foodstuff with 240,000 naira. Imagine this small thing. Oh my god, things are really getting high in Nigeria. The foodstuff, everything, they are really getting high in Nigeria. I can't imagine that I bought this foodstuff with 240,000 naira. No, this is not fair. This is not really fair. Let the government do something about it, because if not, how will the poor man survive? How will the second-class citizen survive? I don't understand. For people that don't even know where they will get their next meal from, how would they buy like a cup of rice for a 1,000 and something naira? But it's not fair. It's not fair. Like, they need to do something about the economy, because everything is just going higher in Nigeria. Person know if you buy something again for a country. Okay guys, let me just leave you and watch this video. Bye, see you guys later. Okay my people, now all those things I buy with 240,000 naira. Imagine. God though, as in, I was shocked. But as I don't understand though, things are really getting high in Nigeria. The price of things, as in, I don't know, but it's not fair. It's not good. At the base. I was like shocked. I said, what? This foodstuff, everything, 240,000 naira. Oh my god. Jesus. I bought only the attachment, this rubber thread, my baby bead, my baby, or those packer. I bought them with 57,000 with something, 57,000, yes. And the dry fish with the ogbolo and pepper. I was shocked. Where it is where? But it's not fair. It's not fair. They need to do something about it. The government need to do something about it. I don't understand. Please, if you know how much they are selling this kicking hair in Nigeria, also drop it at the comment section. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See